Hello, this is going to be a quick video to help your students log into NETLAB. The URL you will be using is https://netlab04.fscj.edu. You will then log in, the students will then log in with the username and password provided. I'm going to log in with the student side first, and then I'm going to leave the student logged in so I can show you the administrator side, or the instructor side. So username and password is case sensitive, and I'm using Firefox, updated Firefox to log in. So we'll log in, and it will ask you to change, it'll ask the students to change their password. And then the student email. And this is all standard Eastern Time digital clock, 12-hour format. Okay, now this is a key point here. We must pass the remote access test. This is going to test your Java, your ability of your Java to open a console. So we'll start the test, and I have it to auto run, so I get this pop-up window here. Click run, and we've passed the test. If you do not get the pop-up window, you will need to go to your downloads and run, double click the JNLP file and run the JNLP, which then will give you this pop-up which you can run, and you will then pass the test. If you still cannot pass the test, try updating Java and updating Firefox and then trying the test again. We're then presented with a scheduler, so the students will click schedule, and this particular class is just an open lab pod, so there's just one class name here. In some instances, students may have multiple classes. So they would enter the class, and there are no labs for this class. This is just an open pod. Labs will be given out in class. So they want to click. If there was a list of labs to be done, it would be listed here. We'll just click the no lab. And then we're presented with the classroom view. Think of this as a classroom of 25 to 30 seats. When you walk in, you see a bunch of open seats. You can select any of them you want to. These are all going to be copies of each other. They're all the same VM. So you can sit anywhere you want to. Click right under the red line. Key is we want it to say now. That way your pod will start immediately. If you click too far under the red line, it will delay the start of your pod. See, the time is 11:10. This pod won't start till 11:30, so cancel and then click right up under that red line for it to say now. And then a stop time we can select of up to 6 hours from now. This is 4 hours and 48 minutes. And then we'll click OK, I'm done. And we're presented with Enter Lab. Now if we go back to the scheduler and we look, and we can see exactly where we scheduled for the student. When you come into the classroom, as other students are logged in or other reservations are active, you will see the time slot blocked out, where you will not be able to schedule it because the student is already sitting there. So we want to enter lab, and then we're presented with a topology. This is just a single hotspot topology. One desktop. Other classes will have multiple 5 or 6 desktops that they could click on. So this one's just going to click the hotspot right in the middle. And again, you're going to download a JNLP file, and you're going to want to run. And then you'll be presented with a desktop. This is a college desktop. So you have the system notice here. It's going to be on the college domain, just like just like as if you were sitting in a classroom. So please follow the law. You cannot use your keystrokes to send a Control-Alt-Delete. You'll need to send a Control-Alt-Delete right here. PC, send Control-Alt-Delete. You can also change your view. So just to note that. When students log in, we are automatically on the student domain, so students can just add their name and then log in. Faculty, of course, will need to preface the FSCJ domain and then log in. And they'll log into a desktop. They'll have all their applications. They'll have internet access, and they will be able to log into Artemis, upload their assignments, anything they need to do. Key thing to note is you do have a limited amount of time. Once this timer gets to about 0 or 1, it's going to start shutting down that machine, and any work that has not been saved or uploaded will be deleted. It will not be saved, so that is key. Make sure you get all of your work uploaded to Google Drive or something like that, or Artemis before your time runs out. So next video, I'm going to leave this user signed in here, and then I'm going to sign in as an instructor and show you the instructor view. Thanks.